How to see if someone unfollows you on Instagram. Hello everybody, my name is Smile, here to guide you how you can see if someone unfollows you on Instagram or not. So let's dive into it. First of all, make sure that you have App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. After that, you can simply go on the search bar and see if there is any update option available after you search for Instagram. So if you have updated and installed it, then simply go on the Instagram app. After going on the Instagram app, go on the home page and then go on the search bar and then simply search for any curious person that you're curious about if they have followed you or not. And after that, you can simply see that we have followed the certain person. And now you want to see if this certain account has followed you or not, then how can you see that is go on the following list of theirs. And then you can see your profile is not visible there. And if your profile is not visible there, then you can know that they have not followed you on your Instagram. So this is how you know. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do subscribe our channel. And also comment on the comment section for more suggestions and also your tips.